Hi, so welcome to the channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how you can get the Atomesus completely free for 1 year. So I'm going to show you a trick, basically a promo code I will sharing with you. And if you want more promo code like this, or maybe Canva Pro invites for completely free, you can join our Telegram channel and subscribe to this channel as well, basically on the YouTube. And let us start with the video. So we have this Atomesus account, and you can see this is the current plan. You can see here it's basically a free plan on the top of the side and the left bottom side. After this, we're going to check it out, this one basically, and from here we're going to copy this promo code I have shared on my Telegram channel here, and then we have to apply here on the left corner. Click here on the apply referral code. After this, we have to paste the code here and click on the apply, and we just have to wait for a few seconds. Okay, let's just wait while it's basically upgrading our account. And now you can see this pop-up on the right top side. Your plan has been upgraded to Prime, and you can see on the top middle side, which where we basically see this is a Prime plan manager, and you can see on the left side as well. So that's all for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, you can do consider like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.